Hi, I'm Yano Blaze from Nexam Studios. I'm a music producer, also a singer, but today I want to show you a review how I mixed the song here. It's a gospel song, goes by the name Yule by Olva Music. So I want you to listen how I mixed it, then I will show you how I added my effects one by one. And also, yes, I'm a Logic user, so I usually work on the Logic Pro. uh, Yes, the song is Yule by Olva Music. You can support him on YouTube. I will tag him down here. Then now, yes, let's start. By what? By showing you how I mix the vocals. Also the beat. I guess I will play one by one. Let me mute the vocals effects first. And also when I make my beats, I don't overdo like making adding more instruments, many. I just add a few ones. Then from yeah, so that because the vocal is already it's like the vocal is like the same as instruments, so we have them the space to we give the space where they can rhyme together. You see the vocals playing by under the beat, but the vocal has no power because I've deactivated the effects. You can hear here. Now let's go to the beat side. First, I had my loop here for Zouk, and I added my own few. Let me play it, and we come pad. Now let me show you how now the vocals was made. You have seen you have heard my beat has no many effects. Now, first of all, I have the EQ. I start with the Logic EQ to kill the bass from the artist. Oh, sorry, I forgot to open to remove the EQ. Then next we have the compressor. Compressor from the filter. Later we have de-esser from waves. Then we have the compressor from Logic. You see, one by one, you don't overdo, you just make it slow by low, one by one. This is an NSI, no superior from Waves. I had some few noise there. Then later I used the vocal compressor. It's called V compressor. It's just a like vocal compressor. This is from Waves, where it helped me to align to make the volume sound same from all audio. Then we have the EQ from FabFilter. Yes, I remove the bass and as you see anyway. This is what we call a space designer. The reverb from Logic. I added small few. Then one knob from Waves. Yes, don't overdo when you use it. Then we have the CLA vocals. That's from Waves. We have the DS again from, I felt like I need another one from Fab Filter. Then this is my ride. It helped me to write the vocals over, to rhyme with the beats. Listen. Yes. Now let's go to the reverb side. This is a delay. Um, if you can hear how the reverb is coming in, you need to sort the delay. Now if I remove my EQ, listen. I don't want that natural voice coming in when he finishes. I need to make it like a telephone. You can hear, right? Then my delay I set that way. It depends with the song also, the tempo. And also, yeah, I added the EQ file for me to sidechain. Like, yes, the compressor is there. So we have the way the reverb again. This is the first one was just adding small, but this one. So if we remove this EQ, listen, then we'll add it back. Yes, I do remove low cuts and add 200% there. Then later on we have the ensemble whereby it's like play is we call like we add the modulation there. So it's like two voices, then 100. That's how the song was done. Then later on, listen. Then I added the CSL compressor where to make it like a master. Then I did what you call threshold. I added full. I removed what you removed or added. I guess I added full. Then that's how I mix my vocals. If you're an artist, you wanna work with me, DM. My number is down there. I will tag the artist you. You can support him on YouTube. My session are so affordable. This is just mixing. Mastering, I usually make it a wave file. Then I go to the next side of mastering. I use some things there to make the song stand out. Anyway, call me Mano Blaze from Nexam Studios. Yeah, keep supporting and book your session at affordable price. We're in Nairobi, Kenya. Thank you.